What's going on, family? Today we are going to do some fruit on the grill. We're just going to take a basic pineapple and we're going to put some tequila on it. Now we don't know what it's going to taste like. It might be a or it might be a yeah, but we'll see. So this is what we're going to do today. We just basically taking a couple of pineapple slices, put them in a bag. I'm going to do 3 just in case it doesn't taste good. And then we got our tequila. Drop it off in there. We're going to let it marinate for about 2 hours. And then we're going to put it on the grill. So what I did was I took just a regular apple. I peeled it and then I cut the core out of it. And what we're going to do is we're just going to take some brown sugar. Just some brown sugar. And about a teaspoon of brown sugar. We're going to put it in the core. Like this. When we put it on the grill, it's going to melt. We're going to put a little bit on it. And then put a little brown sugar on this one. And then we want a little bit on the side. So some of that brown sugar, we're going to put it over here. And then we're going to taste it and see if it's good. Let me know in the comment section if you've ever done this, or if you do it, let me know if you like it. But we're gonna try it. All right, family. We'll see you in a little while. All right, family. So our fruit here, it's been about 3 minutes, and we can see on the pineapple that burned a little bit right there. That one there, we're going to move it to the back a little bit. Yeah. And we see the apples that we had, we see the brown sugar is melted real nicely. They're nice and tender. So we're going to move just a little bit to the center of the heat so they can get real tender. And then we're going to let it sit for about 3 more minutes. We'll come out and get them and try them. Alright, Grill Nation, we're about to get our fruit off. You see this one right here, it's a little Cajun charred. So we're going to see what it tastes like. Tequila made the fire fly up. So, can't wait to see what it tastes like in there. And then we got our apples, they're nice and tender. Oh man, so tender, it broke apart. Look at that, family. Let's try it and see what it tastes like. All right, grill family. Time to find out if our recipe worked or not. First, we're gonna try our apple. We're gonna taste it and see what it tastes like. That's good right there. That's thumbs up. It has a good caramelized sugar taste to it. You can taste the smoke in it. That's a winner right there. Now let's try this pineapple that we marinated in our tequila. Oh yeah, that's that fire. Oh my goodness. Y'all gonna like this, family. So I'm gonna pair this pineapple with the pork chop that I'm about to do. Even this charred one is gonna add some flavor to it. And this apple, I'm gonna pair it with some chicken thighs that I'm gonna do. And it's gonna make it taste good. It's gonna make it pop. All right, family. Hope you enjoy it. See you next time on the Grilling Oasis.